Hi there.
Hi.
Just getting out.
Yeah, I'm just going. I've just left this very second. Yeah.
Yeah. You were. Were you working?
I think. Yes. Yeah. I think somebody said hi when we started. Yeah. Well, you know.
I was going to say the most. I think the most significant factor is what
their
you
voice
said.
is what?
It's not the spirit world. It's you're repeating it. Transcribing it verbatim.
Yeah.
So that everything you say is in it. And
yeah. I'm just crossed. I'm not tired. Oh, did you hear that? That was I think it was a culmination of a couple of things, but the book was the biggest.
The book is the biggest, yeah.
Oh, did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
I'm sure. Yeah, I heard them several words, and I think the last one they said was focus.
The book is the biggest, yeah. The book is the biggest, yeah.
And I heard Dr. Callum Cooper talking about this book, and I quickly looked up the guys, the two guys that were writing this. Well, that was interesting. He once got hold of a gorgeous picture of a portal. Not that it's like that for me, but yeah. I
do remember doing some looking at portals. There seemed like there's quite a bit of variation.
A bit of voice then.
Maybe they're talking about just giving us ideas on the cover.
I hope so. Yeah.
Yeah. Because some of the portals you can go from high-tech looking portal type things, like very much like cosmic and space, or you can also get into kind of like the science fiction fantasy kind of style of portal like thing, that has a lot more, detail to it.
It's, the portal can also give the impression of something being a long way away. And this tunnel, this portal, this wormhole, etc., is the connection. Whereas it's there is, the definition of veil, that there is no, we are the veil. We are the veil, and it fluctuates. There is no veil. We are the veil. It fluctuates with our frequency. And that's right, if we just don't think of our bodies, if we just think of our consciousness, who we are without our bodies, we are always connected to them. That's a bit of voice then. That's a bit of voice then. I do it. You can have an image on the wall behind the telephone. You have the telephone, an image on the wall, and you can have the
some
you
way
can have a daylight orb. You could have how you portray voice. Not quite sure yet, but you could do some. That would be very interesting. Have a daylight. Because maybe that's what we're going to have to do, is go to somebody that does create book covers.
Yeah,